Right, again, this is slightly different again. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of some things I've just had delivered from Amazon. I've just had this delivered, and this delivered. Right, the first thing I've just had delivered is these mini heat sinks. Now, they are absolutely tiny. They're next to me thumb to show you how small they are. Now, why I've bought these, it's to go on my Raspberry Pi. Now, people who don't know what a Raspberry Pi is, I will leave a link in the description below to the Raspberry Pi Foundation. It's a single board computer. You can do loads of things with. They're ideal for kids, to help with coding and the like. What I use mine for, or one of mine for, because I've got a few of them, is retro gaming. And these are ideal because it helps stop them overheating. Now, I will do some videos on them in the future, so press the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and you'll get informed when they arrive. The next thing I got from Amazon, oh well, it was in the same pack, was this. It was some thermal paste. Now, for people who didn't know, I had a gap between, I think it was my second and third video, it might be my third and fourth, where my main computer just gave up on us. Not so much in the day-to-day stuff, but when I was trying to edit video on there, the CPU was overheating massively. So what I've done, I've bought some thermal paste, hopefully try and rectify that problem. I've already bought myself a new laptop, but I still want to try and have a desktop as a backup or as just a second PC in my house. Now, I will do the video of where I apply this and try and sort out my PC, because also I want to upgrade the RAM on it, because it is a very old PC. I mean, the CPU I think in it is an AMD Athlon 2, so it shows you how old that is. But again, hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and you'll find out when that video hits as well. The main reason though for today's video is a basically unboxing, review, and a recommendation for this. I bought this charger for rechargeable batteries from Amazon. I have already used it, so you'll be able to see inside the box because I've misplaced one of the cases. I originally bought it because to replace this. This is what I had with some rechargeable batteries, some Energizer ones, but this seems to be coming away here, and it isn't good. You don't want to be sticking that on the wall with wire showing, especially when you've got children about. So I wanted a new charger for me rechargeable batteries. So I went for this mainly because you got 4 more rechargeable double A's, you got 4 triple A's, but it's got up to 8 slots there for double A's or triple A's at one time. So it means I can charge the 4 Energizer ones along with the 4 new ones from EBL. But like I say, I've used it already. These batteries, the milliamp hours on these ones are much better than me Energizer ones, but I highly recommend this this charger. So I will leave a link to it in the description below. So if you're looking for a new rechargeable battery charger, I would highly recommend that. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, let us know in the comments below why. It's always good to get feedback on my videos. Hit the bell icon, hit the subscribe button if you want to find out when my videos are coming about the upgrade on my desktop PC, and also the Raspberry Pi. That's it for me. Bye.